If you travel a lot with your dogs and you want a safe space for them to hang out while you're camping, like we are here, then this dog playpen has been such a win for us, and it probably will work for you too. It's not like a tight kennel, it's actually really spacious. It's semi open setup, so it gives your dog room to play and stretch while keeping them totally secure. It easily fits our two dogs. They're both, well, one's half German Shepherd, one's a full German Shepherd. One weighs about 75 pounds, and the other one's about 95, and it fits them great. What I love most is how easy it is to put together. It takes maybe 5 minutes to set it up or pack it away, and you can customize the shape by adding or removing panels if you want to. So if you don't need it as large, then just don't put the extra panels in it. The stakes even have rounded tops to protect your dog's paws, and they go right into the ground to keep everything sturdy. So no tipping if your dog jumps on it or leans against it. Even with these big dogs, and it doesn't go anywhere. The locking mechanism on the gate is smart too. It's gravity based, so it closes smoothly and it keeps even the smarter pups from sneaking out. It's also rust resistant, which makes it perfect for RV trips, camping, or just everyday backyard use. And if you're using it inside, you can pop it up on a rug or use floor protectors to avoid any scratches. Seriously, it's one of those products that gives your dog freedom while giving you peace of mind. It's been a total game changer for our dogs. We love it. We hope you do too. And I hope this video helps.